Hello everyone, welcome back to another session at QA Online Academy. Before we dive into today's topic, I hope you've all had a chance to master Python arrays from our last lesson. They are fundamental to what we're doing next. Today, we're exploring the heart of Python's loops, iterators. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an iterator? Simply put, it's an object that contains a countable number of values. It allows you to traverse through those values one by one. Technically, it implements the iterator protocol, consisting of the iter and next methods. You might have heard the term iterable. Objects like lists, tuples, and sets are all iterable containers. You can get an iterator from any of them using the iter method. Even strings are iterable. Let's look at a quick example. Here, we create a tuple and get its iterator. Each time we call next, the iterator returns the next value. Apple, then banana, then cherry. A for loop actually does this work for you behind the scenes. It creates an iterator object and executes the next method for each loop until it reaches the end. To create your own iterator, you need to implement both the iter and next methods. The iter method returns the object itself, and the next method returns the next item in the sequence. But be careful. Without a termination condition, an iterator could go on forever. That's where stop iteration comes in. It raises an error to signal that the iteration is complete. Now it's your turn. Open PyCharm and try creating a custom iterator that returns numbers from 1 to 20 and then stops. I'll give you 10 seconds. Time's up. Here's the solution. By adding this if condition in the next method, we raise stop iteration once we reach 20, preventing any further values from being returned. That's it for today's lesson on Python iterators. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to practice this at home, and don't forget to check out our previous chapters. Next time, we'll explore Python modules. Please subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok, and visit our website at qaonlineacademy.com for more resources. Leave your feedback in the comments. See you next time.